Hi everybody, I'm Erica and this is my channel Dizzyknitsandcurls where I create beauty looks and clothing that is a little bit goth, a little bit vintage. And today I've got a roller set for you. I'm hoping to achieve a sort of half poodle. So I've got really short bangs. They are Betty bangs that come above my brow. So I've rolled them in Velcro rollers. I've rolled the whole rest of my head in sponge rollers. I took a mohawk section and rolled all this forward. I did a couple pin curls on the side, so this hair will go up on the sides. And then I put rollers as far down as I could in the back, all going under. So I'm gonna start taking this out. So my idea is to sort of end up with like a half up poodle is the plan. So we shall see. I have not really been setting my hair. I don't know if you guys have seen my shorts, but I've been talking about using K18 on my hair because my little bleached streak area is very, very, very damaged. I accidentally just got too much bleach on my ends from changing colors. And you'll see they are very light, like they're almost blonde again while the rest of my hair is holding color. So I have been trying to take it easy, but today I just felt like rolling my hair. So we'll see how it goes. What's annoying is that the rest of my hair is like super healthy. So like all the brown parts, the newly dyed brown parts have only been colored with like demi color like once or twice. So there is an annoying textural difference in my hair that we shall deal with. But yeah, took the curl okay. I used the Aussie Volume Mousse on dry hair and then spritzed it with a little bit of water mixed with setting spray. So this is technically a dry set, which I like to do because I don't want to wait hours for my hair to dry. Dry sets are better or worse depending on your hair type. My hair is fine and curly anyway, so it works for me. Your mileage may vary with a dry set. All right, and then I've got the pin curls on the sides. I will pop out now. All right. Let's take out my little sponge rollers. There we go. All right. Got the old reliable Denman styling brush. And I'm gonna brush through. Brushing the part that's supposed to go back. Brushing the bottom down. And then I've got all this curl fluff at the top. And yeah, see how light some of those parts are? They're like sherbet, but never mind. Okay. We're just gonna leave the top isolated for now. I'm just gonna twist the sides back and put in a bobby pin. Loving that. I'm gonna have a glance at the back of my hair, which I shouldn't have to do too much to. Oh yeah. Back's looking pretty good. All right, now we just gotta figure out this front bit. So I'm going to take this small little teasing brush and see what we can get. It's gonna get weirder before it gets better. Okay. Yeah, you see how light those ends are? They're like blonde. I think that's gonna be what we do. Get the curls nice and then twist them and pin them. All right. So I'm gonna pin the hair forward. All right. Like I said, it gets worse before it gets better, y'all. I'm gonna do a little teasing. I feel like we were on the cusp of something here. I bet the back of this looks crazy with all the bobby pins. If you were going to use hairspray to spray the holy bejesus out of it, just spray it to heaven. Unfortunately, I left my hairspray in the other room and I can't go out there right now, so no hairspray, but that is okay. I do have pomade, so I could use a little bit of that. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of pomade in my hand. There we go. That's it. I got pieces sticking out that I don't want to have sticking out. All right, now I need to see how bad this looks from the back because that is going to have an effect. Turn off the light on this makeup mirror. We'll see what's going on. Oh, you know what? It's not too bad. Not too shabby. All right, so now I need my flowers. Let's get some flowers in here. Do one there. Do one here. I think we're gonna call that good. I wish I had more of the little orchids. A big orchid. I think we're gonna just call that good. All right. So that is the hair, which I like. I ended up really liking this. I think it's pretty cute. All right, so here's the front. Here's the sides. And here is the back. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I was a little quiet there for a while. I got a little distracted trying to get this right, but I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye.